In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix ERR connection reset error in Google Chrome. This error usually means the connection between your browser and the website was interrupted, often because of cached DNS information. We'll refresh Chrome's internal DNS records and then clear your computer's DNS cache so your browser can reconnect cleanly. Start by opening Google Chrome. With Chrome open, click into the address bar at the top and type chrome/netinternals/DNS, then press enter. This special Chrome page shows the browser's DNS settings and a small cache of recent DNS lookups. When that cache gets stale, it can interfere with loading sites. On this page, find the button labeled Clear Host Cache and click it. This does not remove your browsing history or cookies. It only clears Chrome's internal DNS entries. It's quick and safe, and it prepares Chrome to request fresh DNS information. Next, click the search icon on your Windows taskbar. In the search box, type CMD. When you see command prompt in the results, right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. Running as an administrator is important because flushing the system DNS cache requires elevated permission. If Windows asks for confirmation, approve it to continue. With the command prompt window open, type the command ipconfig flushdns and press enter. Make sure there's a space between ipconfig and flushdns. This command clears the DNS cache stored by Windows itself. That cache helps your computer find websites faster, but if it contains outdated entries, it can cause connection resets. Flushing it forces Windows to fetch fresh records from your DNS server the next time you visit a site. After you press enter, you should see a confirmation message saying the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. You don't need to close the window. Simply minimize the command prompt so we can return to the browser. Go back to Google Chrome and open a new tab. Opening a fresh tab helps ensure the next load starts a clean connection using the updated DNS information from both Chrome and Windows. Now, in the new tab, go to google.com and refresh the page. If the page loads normally, that confirms the DNS reset worked and the ERR connection reset issue is resolved. This process targets the most common cause of the error by removing outdated DNS data at both the browser and system levels, letting your connection start from scratch. If you followed along carefully, you should be back to browsing without interruptions.